Hey everybody, it's Showster here, and today we're taking a swing at cooking for a change. That's right, cooking. You know, there's an old saying about if you give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day, and if you teach a man to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. Well, I don't really care for fishing, but I do really care for a good burger, and that's why I'm going to try this recipe out of the Bob's Burgers burger book. We're taking on the bruschetta burger, and I'm going to wash down this Italian-themed burger with a nice cold Italian cream soda. So if you want, stick around and we'll show you how we're going to make it up right about now. First, you need your ingredients, which includes a loaf of French bread, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm using extra virgin, a bunch of basil leaves, I'm using 10 to 15, which I'm going to go ahead and gather up together and roll and then cut into ribbons. You'll need a clove of garlic. Here I'm using a fresh bulb, which I'm going to place down on my table. I'm going to peel and mince. You'll also need 5 Roma tomatoes, which have been de-seeded and cut into 1/4-inch cubes. You'll also need a pound of ground chuck, which will be with a fat content of about 30%. You'll probably have to go to a butcher to have it made up. You'll also want some fresh mozzarella cheese so that we could slice it up and toss it on our burgers. What you're going to want to do is take your tomatoes, basil, olive oil, vinegar, and garlic and kind of mix that all up in a nice bowl. Let everything kind of set and together. And after you do so, go ahead and take some of your French bread, slice it up, put it on a pan, brush it with some butter, and throw it in the oven for 400 degrees for about 12 minutes or so. After that, you'll go ahead and form 4 1/4-pound patties, seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. After you form your patties, you're going to use either some butter or some oil and go ahead and fry your burgers for about 4 minutes aside, topping with cheese for the last minute. After you do so, place the burger on the toasted French roll and topped with your well, you saw the topping, but wait, there's more. We're making our fresh cream soda, and I'm going to make it by starting off with some fresh club soda. That you could use the stuff that's in a bottle already, but I'm going to go ahead and use my soda stream with 5 pulses at 2 seconds a pulse. That way we'll get an extra nice and fizzy drink for our soda. So keep pulsing, keep pulsing. Again, the bottled stuff is fine, but for the sake of freshness, we're going to eyeball about a 1/2 cup of club soda into a glass with some ice. Going to add to that 3 tablespoons of syrup. I'm using salted caramel, but you know what, you could use any fruit flavor, orange and vanilla or strawberry. We're also going to add 3 tablespoons of 1/2 and 1/2, and we're going to top with a nice dollop of whipped cream. This is the product, and it's super duper tasty to go alongside that burger. In fact, I think I actually prefer